mobility in society, taking people to the past, the academic development.
Thank you so much.
Admiral, thank you very
Publication
much.
is not in the scopes. If publication is not in the scopes,
The academic development.
Admiral, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
During the 17th century, our international law which relates in particular to the law of the sea, was being evolved, and an important figure was Hugo Grotius, a Dutchman.
In the course of the next 2 days, 36 countries will be represented at this conference. Not all of them are presenting academic papers. Some are here representing governments, business institutions, and the media as well.
A country that is metamorphically changing its worldly outlook and striving to achieve momentous change to face the future.
How do we create leaders for the future? Normally we gain experience and go up the runners. We go up the runners. 3 hours.
It is fitting that this conference is being held in a country that itself has been an emerging economy, one that has developed to such a degree that it could be said to have truly emerged.
Before I begin, I would like to pay my tribute and dedicate this to a very dear friend of mine, Mark T. Jones, who many of you know passed away last year.
So we have a multidisciplinary team that's also multi-age. I'm at the end of the spectrum with Professor Avato and the rest of them are some young faculty that we hope will take on the work because we're very tired.
The academic development and emotional intelligence of non-traditional and underrepresented minority students.
It becomes very political, of course, but what about, people like Krugman and Reichs, who are much more Keynesian in their approach to economics and would translate them?
Students can be trained, and at the same time also transfer of technology, use of new technology which can help, and it can become an enabler. And finally, he also mentioned about government. And I would, say it goes to him. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Middle class tourists are coming, they are polluting our environment, our society, our ecology. Should we encourage them or not?
Those one at a time from the designated respondent.